So kickoff probably cannot verify your identity because you're putting information in that's not already in their system or in the credit bureau system. So make sure you guys are over the age of 18 to get the kickoff account. Make sure the name that you're putting on your application is actually the name that's on your credit reports, because some people have a lot of names there. So make sure that the information is correct, and make sure you put the right social in and date of birth. Just make sure all the information that you put in is correct. And if you guys think that you're putting the correct information in, please double check your credit reports, because they have to verify this information with the credit bureaus to see if it's accurate. So please make sure that the information that you're putting in is actually on your credit reports. Now, when I looked into my kickoff, when I actually looked for questions with kickoff actually said that same exact thing. They can't give you any of these products here, you guys, if they can't verify your identity. The biggest thing is they want to report to the credit bureaus for you, but if they can't verify your identity, they can't give you these. And like this card right here is a MasterCard. They have certain requirements. They can't just give anybody a card. So they have to make sure that they verify your identity. If for some reason they just still cannot verify your identity, try to reach out to customer service and see if they can help you. Try to email them. And if they can't do that, it's other accounts out there that you guys can get. I know I'm telling you guys about the kickoff, but I also told you guys about Self, and it's very similar. They have a credit card, a secure credit card that you guys can get, and they also have the installment account that can report to the credit bureaus. So both of them will be best for you. But if they can't verify you, do not just get hung up on it. Try to move on, because the best way to boost your credit score is to make sure that you have your 4 accounts reporting right away so that they can start growing and getting old. So don't just say, oh my gosh, I've been trying kickoff for months, it's not working. You should move on, because if you would have started early, you wouldn't even care about the kickoff account. You could have got other credit cards, other loans. You wouldn't even want that account on your credit reports, because you could have gotten better accounts by that time if you would have just